Now to a bit of a feel-good story for you on this Wednesday evening. A group of pharmacists from across the city were honored at City Hall today for their recent work to combat COVID in their communities. News 12's Marissa Marcelino has the story.
Yeah, the healthcare heroes were honored by the city here today for helping launch the nation's first mobile test-to-treat program to help fight COVID-19. On the steps of City Hall, Dr. Ted Long, the executive director of the newly renamed New York City Test and Treat Corps, gave 6 pharmacists distinguished service certificates for their life-saving efforts. Their pharmacies teamed up with New York City Health and Hospitals in a pilot program to bring antiviral medicine directly to those who test positive for COVID. The goal is to meet people where they are in the community. The mobile test-to-treat units park in front of these pharmacies. They test patients on site, and if they're positive, they can fill a prescription for Paxlovid directly at the pharmacy. The program says they've tested 36,000 New Yorkers, and 1,200 were given the medicine. We spoke to a pharmacist in Inwood who said how good it felt to be able to offer people in the community support for COVID symptoms.
Great relief. You know, in the beginning of the pandemic, it's such a scary situation. Everyone, even, we don't talk to our own relatives, families, friends, because we've been so worried. But when we see this kind of a treatment, wow, okay.
Now, New Yorkers should know that you don't need an ID or insurance and that there is no cost associated. And there are over 30 mobile units across the city. At City Hall, Marissa Marcelino, News 12.
A well-deserved honor there, Marissa.